Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to measure distances and areas in Google Earth. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should search for a place or select a location on the globe. Now you should tap on the measure icon at the top of the screen next to the profile icon, and then you should add measurement points. So in order to do this, tap on this add point button down below, and now you should move the map and tap in order to add a point. If you have selected your point, tap on add point, and now as you can see, the measurement appeared down below, so you will see the distance measurement here. If you want to remove the point that you added last, tap the undo button at the top, and then you will be able to select another point. Then repeat these steps, tap on the button add point, so now you will see the new result down below. If you are done with these steps, click on the check mark icon at the top of the screen in the upper right corner. So now you are done with the measurement information. If you want to do this process again, tap on this button in the upper right corner of the screen. So now you can repeat these steps, thereby doing a new calculation, a new measurement. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.